Hi everyone, welcome to Philaburbia Weather's video forecast for May 1st, 2012. You can visit my site, philaburbiaweather.com, my YouTube channel, Philaburbia Weather. Alright, so the day overview for today, May 1st, 2012. This morning we had thunderstorms, and in the early morning, I know people did wake up from these storms, and I did not, unfortunately. I know many people expect me to wake up at every single thunderstorm, whether it's 3 in the morning, 11 at night, 12 noon. I need to be there, but I did not hear these thunderstorms this morning. I just heard about them and saw them on the radar. It did clear by afternoon, and it was also a bit more humid than in previous days, and it will be nice tonight with some patchy fog. And that will probably persist into the morning tomorrow. The current conditions, we have a stationary front here. This high pressure will move out this way, and this low will head up. I will explain these a little bit later in the forecast. So we get to the 5-day. Tomorrow will be cooler, unlike my previous forecast, which said for temps in the 70s. This is because it will remain mostly cloudy. Models were showing maybe a more sunny solution, but the front did not cross our area, that warm front, and it will remain pretty dull and gray tomorrow. Thursday, a little bit better, still cloudy with scattered showers, another not that nice of day. Friday it will clear out, but the warm front will have crossed, and we will be waiting for a cold front that will arrive on Saturday. There will be a chance of thunderstorms both of these days, both of which could be strong. Saturday is a little more uncertain about whether it's a thunderstorm or just a weak shower that pushes through before this cold front will cool us down for Sunday into the 60s on Sunday, and next week into the probably lower 70s. Not a huge warm-up like Friday and Saturday. So that brings us to the current radar, and as you can see, we do have a pretty nasty little bunch of showers and thunderstorms heading across into Pennsylvania or West Virginia. These things will fizz pretty fast as they hit the Appalachians out here, and that will also I will also show the simulated radar, which shows these showers right here. This is what it projects at 10 p.m. I mean, which is around the time right now. Here they are, and as you can see, as I keep pushing this forward, they will fizz out into nothing. Tomorrow we do have those showers around the area. This is at 4 p.m. Tomorrow. Showers up here in the, looks like, northern sections. You can't really predict exactly where these showers are going to pop up, but there will be scattered showers, and where it falls, roads will get wet. Just take it easy. Alright, so that brings us to the models, and I will stop it right here. So here is the high pressure out here that I said would move off the New England coast. This low out here will slowly push but be blocked by this high, and there will be just some instability Wednesday, Thursday before this high moves out, and this cold front will eventually move through on Saturday. So we push forward. There's Friday. You can see there's the low pushing across, the high is getting pushed out, and eventually this thing will cross. Right around here is projecting to, cold front is projecting to cross. This is a really weak low, but things will change. I have a feeling the models will start to project a little stronger of a low pressure there. Alright, so in the long range, next week will be pretty seasonable, nicer conditions. So the SPC forecast, there is a slight risk from Nebraska all the way to Virginia. This is partly because of that stationary front that will have create convection around these areas. You know, Friday, as I said yesterday, we could see some C-text action or slight risk, just because there is a small chance of strong thunderstorms. Alright, so that brings us to the featured part of this forecast, which is April in review. So precipitation wise in April, and this map was just released today, we were below average in general. That rainstorm last week did help us. We still ended up 70% of what we normally get this time of year. Out here, it was into the 50s, 70%. Up here in Maine, they really got drenched. That's pretty much it for precipitation-wise. Temperature-wise, we were above average once again after we had that warm winter, warm March. We had a pretty warm April. Not as warm as it was in March compared to average, but still pretty warm. In general, we had 1 to 2 to 3 degrees above normal. Up here in New England, they were really warm, 4 to 5 degrees above. So April was in general a above average temperature month, not as warm as it was in March, and it was below average precipitation, part of the reason why we still are in a drought. And on Thursday I will release the drought information for this week, as I did last week, just to keep everyone aware. But for May, right now, we're just going to wait and see what happens, what kind of pattern sets up, where the storms will go, whether we get more cold fronts, whether we get more instability, stationary fronts that we're getting now. It really remains to be seen. So I will have another video tomorrow, most likely. So thank you very much. See you all tomorrow.